Hi everyone, it's Daddy Lee Engineer. I want to do a video to show you what I carry in my truck as a battery backup. This is great in case your battery dies or in case someone else's battery dies and you want to help them out. So I have the Rugged Geek RG1000. This little battery backup has the output to charge a car battery using these supplied cables that clamp onto the car's battery terminals. It's got a flashlight. It has two USB outputs, both at 2.1 amps for charging other batteries, not just car batteries. It has a nice LED display to show how much battery capacity is left. And it has an air compressor. This is good for 150 psi. It also has adapters for balls, bike tubes or car tires, or inflatables. 150 psi will easily meet your needs for cars, spare tires, and even bicycle tires. To charge the battery, you'll typically use this AC adapter. The kit also comes with a DC input cable to charge the battery using a car with a good battery. The kit also comes with an output cable with a variety of connectors. I also like to keep a few other things in this pouch like zip ties, a multi-tool, and some tissues. Is this battery reliable in the back of your truck? Yes. My battery lasted 1.5 years without losing 1% of charge. So my battery's pretty old. Let's look at some of the considerations you're going to have when you purchase your battery. My top consideration is current or cranking amps. You want to make sure that you have enough for your car. My next consideration is capacity, but I'll come back to that. You also want to find a good charging time. And for the 5-volt outputs, you'll want 2 amps or more. Look for a small size and lightweight that you can stow away in your car. And look for other accessories you might need, like an inflator. Battery capacity is listed in watt-hours. Watts are the units of power, and hours are how long the battery has to support that amount of power. The voltage from a car is pretty much fixed and out of our control. How much we pull from the battery is reflected in the current, and how long we pull from the battery is reflected in the time, or hours. Now here's another Daddy Lee engineering experiment to demonstrate this. Here are 2 water bottles with the same capacity, but they'll have different flow rates, which is analogous to the current. The bottle on your left will flow faster, but run out sooner, and the bottle on your right will flow slower, but last longer. So my battery backup will power the USB devices for much longer than it will power my car. Similarly, if your car takes a lot of current to start, you'll want a bigger capacity battery to make sure you have enough tries to get your car to start.